Hey Prof, why is narrow gap welding sustainable?
Yes, my pleasure to explain. First of all, what's the difference between conventional welding and narrow gap welding? It's the opening angle of the weld sheets. In 6-sheet welding, normally you work with angles in the range of 30 to 45 degrees. In narrow gap welding, you go down to angles in the range of 10 to 15 degrees. Of course, you need also an adapted shielding gas nozzle for narrow gap welding. So this just does not fit in. So you need an adapted narrow gap welding nozzle, and now we can carry out the welding. So why is it sustainable? Because you save resources. Of course, it's obvious that you save filler wire if you can do a weld compared to conventional welding, where you have between 20 and 30 passes. In narrow gap welding, you can do the same job with 10 to 15 passes. So that saves filler metal, but it also saves energy from the welding power source, and you also save a lot of shielding gas. That's why narrow gap welding is sustainable. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.